Here's why smart students freeze under pressure. Your child isn't struggling because they don't understand the material. They're struggling because their brain shuts down under pressure. You've seen it. They prepare. They can recite everything perfectly at home. And then the test starts and everything disappears. They go blank. They overthink. They change right answers to wrong ones. This isn't a lack of effort or a lack of intelligence. It's just what pressure does to the brain if you haven't properly trained it. Under pressure, the brain reallocates all of its resources away from the prefrontal cortex. That's where working memory lives, and towards threat detection. That shift reduces working memory, but it also reduces cognitive flexibility and recall speed. There's a well-known study out of the University of Chicago that found that high-performing students are more likely to choke under pressure. That's because they rely very heavily on working memory. So when pressure hits, that system gets overloaded. And here's where parents get everything really wrong. Most advice that we give actually makes that stress response worse. Just relax, calm down, don't be nervous. That advice teaches students to fight against their own biology. You can't physiologically just calm down. So now the stress compounds and students start to stress out about the fact that they're stressed, thinking something is wrong with them. The shift comes when we recognize that the stress response is not a flaw, it's fuel. The stress response increases heart rate to pump oxygen to the brain. It sharpens attention and it results in faster reaction time if the interpretation of the stress response is correct. The issue isn't the stress, it's the story that your child attaches to it. When students learn to reinterpret stress as readiness, performance improves. Research by Aaliyah Crum at Stanford University shows that how you think about stress actually changes how your body responds to it. Students who see stress as helpful stay more focused, they recover faster, and they perform better under pressure. This is what we train inside the Fearless Masterclass. Not more studying, not more pressure. We actually train the skill that your child actually needs. How to access what they already know when it matters most.